What if I told you that a cheap little bottle of Japanese rice vinegar sitting in your pantry is quietly doing the job of a chemist, a chef, and an entire cabinet of cleaning sprays? Most people pour it over a seaweed salad and forget it exists, but in Japan, families have leaned on this one ingredient for centuries, doing things that sound made up until you understand the chemistry behind them. From flattening the blood sugar spike of a bowl of white rice to lifting decades of rust off a forgotten kitchen knife, here are 43 clever Japanese white vinegar hacks that will genuinely surprise you and quietly make your whole life easier. Number 43, the fluffy rice secret. Before you switch on your rice cooker, stir 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar into the water. Japanese home cooks have done this for generations, and the reason is simple. The acetic acid loosens the sticky outer starch on each grain, so they cook up separate and glossy instead of gluey. The acid cooks off completely, so you taste nothing but perfect rice. Number 42, effortless egg peeling. Add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar to the water before you boil your eggs. The acid seeps through the porous shell and softens the membrane underneath, so the shell slips off in big, clean sheets. If you make marinated ramen eggs, this one alone will save you a small fortune in ruined whites. Number 41, tenderizing tough meat. Restaurants get that silky, melt-in-your-mouth texture partly through acid. Stir half a teaspoon of rice vinegar into your marinade, and the acid starts breaking down the tough connective tissue in cheaper cuts of beef or pork. Give it 20 minutes with a little soy and cornstarch, and chewy stir-fry becomes a thing of the past. Number 40, the produce wash. Mix 1 cup of rice vinegar into 3 cups of cold water and soak your berries or grapes for 5 minutes. The acid dissolves surface residue and knocks back the bacteria that make fruit spoil early. Rinse with clean water afterward, and your fruit stays fresh noticeably longer in the fridge. Number 39, killing the fish smell. Steamed fish leaves that heavy odor hanging in the kitchen for hours. Set a small bowl of rice vinegar on the counter while you cook. The acetic acid in the air bonds with the smelly compound called trimethylamine and neutralizes it. Coastal Japanese kitchens that cook fish daily rely on this trick constantly. Number 38, reviving wilted greens. Drop limp lettuce or leafy greens into a bowl of ice water with 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar for 10 minutes. The cold water rehydrates the cells while the acid firms up the cell walls by reacting with the pectin in the leaves. They snap back to crisp like they just came from the market. Number 37, perfect poached eggs. Add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar to your poaching water. The acid lowers the pH, so the egg whites set fast and wrap tightly around the yolk instead of drifting into wispy threads. The result is a tidy, compact poached egg every single time. Number 36, rescuing cast iron. If rust spots appear on your pan or knife, skip the harsh scrubbing. Make a paste of rice vinegar and coarse salt, rub it onto the rust, and the acid dissolves the iron oxide while the salt lifts it away. Dry it fully and rub on a thin film of oil afterward. Japanese knives passed down through families are kept alive exactly this way. Number 35, cutting through grease. After washing platters that held fried or fatty food, give them a final rinse in 1 part vinegar to 5 parts water. Vinegar strips the greasy film that dish soap sometimes leaves behind, and it kills lingering kitchen bacteria too. Deep serving bowls come out cleaner and odor-free. Number 34, crispier potatoes. Cut your potatoes, then soak them in cold water with 2 tablespoons of vinegar for 30 minutes. The acid draws out surface starch while the cold firms the cells, so they fry up shatteringly crisp instead of soggy. Japanese-style fried potato dishes use a similar acid soak for that crunch. Number 33, erasing onion and garlic hands. Rub a little undiluted vinegar between your palms for 30 seconds, then rinse with warm water. The acid neutralizes the sulfur compounds that make the smell cling. It works faster than soap and faster than rubbing your hands on a steel spoon. Number 32, descaling your kettle. Fill your electric kettle or coffee maker halfway with equal parts vinegar and water and run it through. The acetic acid dissolves the chalky calcium buildup called limescale that ruins both the flavor and the heating speed. 2 plain water rinses after, and it runs like new. Number 31. Steam cleaning the microwave. Heat half a cup of vinegar and half a cup of water in a bowl on high for 5 minutes, then leave the door shut another 3 minutes. The hot, acidic steam loosens every dried-on splatter so it all wipes away with one damp cloth. No scrubbing, and the funky odor disappears too. Number 30. Resetting a cutting board. Pour vinegar straight onto your wooden board after cutting fish, garlic, or ginger, spread it around, and wait 3 minutes. The acid neutralizes the smell soaked into the grain and kills surface bacteria. Let it air dry, and the board smells like nothing again. Number 29. Saving a burnt pot. Scorch the bottom cooking rice porridge, cover the burnt layer with water, add half a cup of vinegar, and boil it for 5 minutes. The acidic water chemically breaks down the carbonized crust, so it lifts off with a wooden spoon once it cools. Now, those first 15 were all kitchen tricks, but stay with me because the most surprising uses are coming up next. Especially number 26 for your skin, which almost nobody would guess is even possible. Number 28, the morning metabolism tonic. In parts of Japan, a spoonful of rice vinegar stirred into a glass of warm water has been a morning habit for generations. The acetic acid is thought to slow how fast your stomach empties, which softens the blood sugar spike after meals. Always dilute it and never sip it straight to protect your tooth enamel. Number 27, the shine restoring hair rinse. After shampooing, pour a mix of 2 tablespoons of vinegar in 1 cup of cool water through your hair. Wait 2 minutes, then rinse. Most shampoos are alkaline, which roughs up the hair cuticle. The acid brings your scalp back to its natural, slightly acidic pH, so the cuticle lies flat and your hair turns glossy. Number 26, the softening foot soak. Add half a cup of vinegar to a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 15 minutes. The acid softens hard, cracks skin so it sloughs off easily with a pumice stone, and the acidic environment is hostile to the bacteria and fungus that cause foot odor. Moisturize right after drying. Number 25, sunburn relief. Mix equal parts vinegar and cool water in a spray bottle and mist it onto sunburned skin. The coolness soothes instantly while the acid helps rebalance the skin's disrupted pH and calm the sting. Never use it on broken or blistered skin, and follow with aloe or moisturizer. Number 24, a natural toner. Dilute 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water and sweep it over cleansed skin with a cotton pad. It clears away leftover oil and dead cells while tightening the look of pores, and its mild antibacterial action can help head off breakouts. Patch test first and keep it well away from your eyes. Number 23, fighting dandruff. Massage 2 tablespoons of vinegar mixed with the same amount of warm water into your scalp. Wait 5 minutes, then shampoo. Dandruff often comes from a yeast that thrives in alkaline conditions, and the acidity disrupts that environment, cutting the flaking with twice weekly use. Number 22, the sore throat gargle. Stir 1 tablespoon of vinegar into a full glass of warm water and gargle for 30 seconds twice a day without swallowing. The acidic environment holds back the bacterial growth that worsens a scratchy throat. It won't replace medicine for a real infection, but for that first raw tickle, it brings real relief. Number 21, the digestion helper. A little vinegar alongside a heavy, fatty meal can support digestion by nudging your stomach to produce more enzymes that break down protein. It's no accident that Japanese meals so often pair rich food with pickled, vinegar-dressed sides. That pairing is a built-in digestive strategy. Number 20, the mosquito bite eraser. Hold a cotton ball soaked in undiluted vinegar on a fresh bite for 1 minute. Mosquito saliva is alkaline, and that's what triggers the itch. The acid neutralizes it almost instantly, killing the itch faster than most drugstore creams. It works best the moment the bite appears. Number 19, an old world hand rinse. After handling raw meat or garden soil, Wash with soap, then finish with a quick vinegar rinse before drying. The acid's antibacterial action knocks down whatever's left on your skin. It isn't a soap replacement, but it's a simple, non-toxic extra layer. Number 18. Toenail trouble. For stubborn nail discoloration or early fungal issues, soak the foot in 1 part vinegar to 2 parts warm water for 30 minutes a day. Fungus struggles to survive in acidic conditions, so consistency is everything here. Keep at it for weeks and see a doctor for anything that won't budge. Number 17. The skin softening bath. Pour 1 cup of vinegar into your bath. The acid dissolves the soap scum that clings to your skin and restores its slightly acidic pH, so you step out feeling soft instead of tight. It's especially kind of dry or sensitive skin that reacts to alkaline tap water. Number 16. Natural fabric softener. Skip the chemical softener and add half a cup of vinegar to your rinse cycle. It dissolves the alkaline detergent residue trapped in the fibers, which is a common hidden cause of skin irritation. Clothes come out softer, fresher, and far gentler on sensitive skin. Number 15. Steam for congestion. Boil water, take it off the heat, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, drape a towel over your head, and breathe the vapor at a safe distance for several minutes. The warm, acidic steam loosens the mucus clogging your sinuses. It won't cure a cold, but the breathing relief is immediate and real. Number 14. Lifting tea stains off teeth. Dip your toothbrush in a touch of vinegar, brush gently for 30 seconds, rinse well, then brush again with regular fluoride toothpaste. The mild acid lifts tea and surface stains from enamel. Do this no more than once a week because too much acid wears enamel down. Number 13. Streak-free glass. Mix equal parts vinegar and distilled water in a spray bottle, spray your mirrors, and wipe with a lint-free cloth. The acid cuts through mineral spots and fingerprint oils far better than most glass cleaners, which leave a residue that streaks. Number 12. Deep rust removal. Submerge rusty scissors, tools, or an old knife in undiluted vinegar for 8 to 12 hours. The long acid soak dissolves the iron oxide right off the metal. Scrub, rinse, dry thoroughly, and coat with a little oil so the rust doesn't come straight back. Number 11. A non-toxic weed killer. Pour undiluted vinegar onto the weeds pushing through cracks in your patio, ideally on a hot, sunny day. The acid dries out the leaves and kills the top growth fast. It hits any plant it touches, so aim carefully around the ones you want to keep. Number 10. Longer-lasting flowers. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of sugar to your vase water and refresh it every couple of days. The acid holds back the bacteria that rot stems and cloud the water, while the sugar feeds the blooms. Your cut flowers can last several extra days. Number 9. The drain unclogger. Pour half a cup of baking soda down a slow drain, then chase it with 1 cup of vinegar. The two react into a foaming fizz that physically loosens grease and gunk in the pipe. Wait 10 minutes, then flush with a kettle of boiling water. Gentle on pipes, unlike caustic chemical cleaners. Number 8. The sweat stain lifter. For yellowed collars and underarms, mix 2 parts vinegar with 1 part baking soda into a paste, spread it on the stain, wait 30 minutes, then wash as usual. The acid breaks down the salt and protein in dried sweat while the baking soda scrubs. Safe for cotton and tougher on these stains than most pre-treatments. Number 7. The fridge deodorizer. Set an open bowl of vinegar on the middle shelf overnight. The acetic acid in the air absorbs and neutralizes the smells from leftovers and strong-flavored fermented foods. Swap it weekly. Japanese kitchens that store pickles and fermented staples lean on this hard. Number 6. Reviving dull scissors. Fold a sheet of foil several times and cut through it repeatedly to realign the blades, then wipe them with a vinegar-soaked cloth. The acid dissolves the sticky adhesive and oxidation that makes scissors drag, restoring a clean, smooth cut. Number 5. The pet odor neutralizer. Mix 1 cup of vinegar with 2 cups of water in a spray bottle and mist it onto sofas, rugs, or pet beds where the smell lives. The acid neutralizes the alkaline compounds in pet urine and saliva. Once it dries, the vinegar smell vanishes too, leaving the fabric fresh and safe around pets. Number 4. The shoe deodorizer. Lightly spray the inside of smelly shoes with undiluted vinegar and let them dry in open air, ideally in sunlight. The acid kills the odor-causing bacteria breeding in the warm, damp interior. Once dry, the vinegar scent is gone. For stubborn cases, repeat 3 days running. Now for the final 3. These are the ones to remember if you forget everything else. Number 3, the window track, deep clean. Pour undiluted vinegar straight into your grimy window tracks and let it sit for 5 minutes. Scrub with an old toothbrush and the built-up dust, grime, and mold dissolve and wipe away. Tracks untouched for years look brand new. Number 2, the sticker residue remover. When a new bowl or jar leaves that gluey price tag gunk behind, press a vinegar-soaked cloth onto it for 2 minutes. The acid dissolves the adhesive so it rubs away clean, with no scratching and no chemical residue. Perfect for anything that touches food. And the final hack. Number 1, the 2-ingredient polishing paste. Mix equal parts vinegar and table salt into a thin paste, then rub it onto tarnished copper, brass, or bronze in small circles with a soft cloth. The acid dissolves the tarnish while the salt buffs it away at the same time. Rinse with warm water and dry right away. Japanese family heirlooms in brass and copper have been brought back to a warm shine this exact way for generations. And that's all 43. 1 cheap bottle of rice vinegar is one of the most useful, versatile things you own, quietly replacing a shelf full of products you've been paying for. Share this with someone who needs it, drop your favorite hack in the comments, and subscribe because we're only getting started.